they are putting fans, metallic fans. It is not like full size. You have to cut somewhere in between. There are multiple cutting.
Construction waste.
It is not like this. So that wire may
No, construction waste.
That is a very small quantity because
I think one wire at least, so you cannot dump there, right? So that be something. No, with minimal quantity.
Metal waste.
You are saying I'm showing 6 kilometers of fans. So although it may be some of the kgs and some wooden planks will be there, planking will be there. That also have to dispose of. You cannot jump there and leave the site, right? You have to dispose of before you leave.
Yes.
So what is the plan? That is something.
Yes, we have one best contract is there with the one.
Yeah, that you put there, no issue. For me, I am just highlighting the concern. These are the concern. How to address, you highlight.
But construction waste, the metallic waste is also one type of hazardous waste.
No, this hazardous means it can catch fire or something. This thing is not hazardous.
No,
it can dispose of wooden planks, your metallic waste,
like metal waste.
Metal waste, wooden planks, wooden
planks, and cotton waste.
Cotton, yeah, this is cotton.
ETC.
Etc.
That's okay.
Normally, it's general waste is there.
This general is okay. You can, it is not domestic.
If metal waste, if you write there, so we have to make the contract with the as a metal waste segregation.
See, normally you will have a same contractor, they will dispose of and they will segregate and do it themselves, right? You will not dispose yourself.
No. This contract
will, you will collect it one side, or do you think it together? And then we segregated by that, or you are segregating your side?
No, we have to segregate in that area. And they also segregating when they are.
So waste segregation is one of the control.
Yeah. So we are saying that.
No, I don't think this is separate. Only the waste is coming now.
At present, no, but tomorrow, at present, you're doing only civil activities. There is no waste at present.
Yes.
Tomorrow, there will be segregation. We are talking about what I gave example. There is no such, you say there is no such metallic waste. Whatever come, I will visualize it, there won't be a single nail there.
But indirectly,
is it possible?
You will segregate. No doubt about it. So what we are saying that,
even tomorrow when you leave the site, your so much clothes will be lying there. Because people are having coveralls, so many hand gloves will be lying there. You will see there will be that site.
Yes.
If you don't put waste management plan, and when you leave the site, you will see so much thing will be there if you don't have any waste management. People will leave, suppose hand gloves are there or something, they will leave there, they will buy new one, get new one. That will be lying there and there. If you don't have any waste collection or anything. So waste collection, they will dispose of in the waste garbage.
So
because they will bring the suppose food like you are doing lunch, pack lunch, right? Something. Pack lunch is where you put the empty box or something. There is some disposal method at the site. They are not going back to that for lunch, right? There's some food is coming.
Yes, that is the main.
That's what they have to put here. These all things are here. Ultimately, you will generate some waste. You are not somewhere in the building. You are in the open site in kilometers. So definitely you generate waste. Even you don't do anything.
So what I will do, we say that waste will be disposed of to the approved waste management facility, right?
Waste management plan.
Yeah.
Waste management plan or something.
Yeah, they have got waste management
plan.
Yeah, we are preparing it as per
plan.
As per waste that we are doing it. So existing waste, this will not be there. All the waste generated.
Segregation.
I'll put here.